I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create groups in Sketchup. Let's assume I grab a rectangle tool and I click empty space like this. I type 4000 mm, comma by 3000 mm. I press enter. That is 4000 by 3000 flat surface. I can move it. I grab my move tool and drag it to the center like that. Click on arrow tool. I go to my 3D, then grab push and pull tool, push it up a little bit. Then I use a rectangle tool to create a rectangle on this face. Then I grab a pull tool and push it out a little bit like that. Let me go to the top view now. While on the top view, if I want to copy this now, I can actually move this one out like this. So I can decide to group this. Select them, right click on it and click make group. Okay, so assuming I copy this group now, I simply grab move tool, then while moving I press on control to copy it. Then if I double click on this now, I can change the group. Let me go to 3D. So for this group, I can decide to create a small rectangle in it and grab my pull. You see that as I'm modifying this, nothing is happening here. If I want to finish with the group, I'm done with the group, I need to double click outside to go out. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy one object into multiple places. Without wasting your time, let's get started. For example, if I want to model a staircase, I can simply go to one of the elevation, let's say the right elevation, and I am going to pick my line tool, and from here I'm going to go up by 150. I'm typing 150 below. I press enter. By the way, that 150 is millimeters, so I'm zooming out a little bit so that I can see what I'm drawing. Then I type 300. I press enter on my keyboard. Okay, so this is one riser. Since the risers are identical, the easiest way for me to do it fast is to copy them into multiple times. I've already drawn one, so all I need to do now is to copy this one I've drawn into multiple places so that I can be fast. So what I will do is I'm going to highlight from the left, copy this. To copy, I'm going to select move, then grab it from this point. You can see it is snapping this edge. Then you can see nothing is copied for now. I'm going to tap on Control. The moment I tap on Control, you see that we already have a copy of it. So I am going to drop it here. Now I have dropped it, but after dropping it, I have not clicked anything yet. If you click anything, it means that the command is gone. But now that the command is still active, I'm going to press Shift and 8. Shift 8 is times. It now depends on the number of copies you want. For example, this staircase is going to be having 23 risers. So it will be times. I already have one copy. So let it be, okay, let it be 23. 23. I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. You see that it has multiplied that one copy into 23 places. Good. So I'm going to exit and click on this arrow. I'm going to draw another line. From here, I can go up a little bit. Let's say somewhere here. I go up to create the waist. Then from here, I'm going to go up. Let's have a landing. Landing can be 1,250. Then to close this, all I need to do is to bring my cursor here and it will snap that alignment. So I'll be able to close it like that. Okay, so now I have this shape. Let me click on this. For this one, we can grab this and move it. Let's say move it from this point by 1,200 and press enter. Then we click on. Now let's go to our 3D. You can see this is just a plane. I can now grab my push and pull tool and grab one of the face, then push it by 1,250 and press enter on my keyboard. So using this method, I've been able to model this staircase. Let's assume I want to remove this line. It's a question of selecting the line and deleting it. So that is how you can model a simple straight line staircase. So now I want to create my nosing. All I need to do is to go to my right hand side elevation. Then I'm going to grab a rectangle tool. I'll just create a rectangle. Now as I'm creating this rectangle now, you see on the bottom right, you see the figures. So the smaller figure is the width and the longer figure is the height. So I want the height to be 25 mm. So I'll type 25. I'll add comma to it. The width will be 325. I'll press enter on my keyboard. Here we are. So I'm going to go to my 3D or simply orbit. Then I'm going to extrude this face by, before I extrude it, let me make it a component so that they will carry the same. If I want to edit one of them, it will affect every other one, and it will also be easier to move and copy. Okay, so I'm going to I've already selected it. Right click on it, make a component. I'll give it a name as nosing 2. Nosing G. Okay, click on create. So to edit the component, you have to double click and be inside of the component before you will be able to modify it. So I select their face and move it to some distance. Type 1250 to it. Press enter on your keyboard. So click outside to exit and go to the right elevation. So I'm going to move this component. I will simply grab my move tool, pick it from this point and drop it here. Okay, now I've moved it here. I'm going to select that same component and I'm going to grab my move tool, move it from here and press Ctrl to copy and drop it here. Then I'm going to go and press my Shift and 8 to give me times. Then I will type 23 and press enter. So it will copy it into 23 times. Okay, so you can see this one it has exceeded the number, so I can delete that one. I will also select it and make unique, so I can be inside this component and push this face. Then double click outside. Okay, so for this one, I've copied one of them here. So I am going to grab my push and pull tool and push. So I'm going to select this one and make unique. Select this, right click, make unique. Then I'm going to go into this component and push this face out until I get here. Then I'm going to click outside. So you see that. So that is how you can use component copying into multiple places in Sketchup. I hope you have learned something from this training today. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who want to learn how to use Sketchup. If you want to learn how to produce high quality rendering and animation, I have a complete course on Lumion. So ensure you tap on the link in the description of this video so that you can gain access to that course. See you in the next video. Bye.